If you're looking for an easy, no prep way to get your students engaged, maybe you have some students that finish early, or maybe you have some students that are a little bit off task. Well, choice boards are a great way to get your students back on track. And I've created this choice board so it's ready to go, it's no prep, and kids love it. I've used this with my students, I've used it when I have subs. I've used it when I'm in the classroom when they maybe there's some kids that finish early, or maybe some students that need review. So I've been able to use this very successfully with them. They love it. It's fun. It's interactive, and the best part is it's ready to go. It's no prep. So all they do is, let's say you have a student that finishes early. They click on the link, and it gives them the instructions on what to do. So they would create a crossword puzzle, and they would click here, and it would take them to the activity, and they would have to create the crossword. If they decide they want to go back to the home page, they just click there. So it's really a great tool. It's got different options for them to use, like they can create a storybook. And again, you can use all the vocabulary words or some. This is completely editable, so you can edit it and make it your own, and you can add your own instructions, so it's really great. So if they want to create a storybook, it takes them to a site where they can create a story. And again, I have had lots of success with this when in my classroom with my students. Again, I use this for early finishers, for students who are maybe off task sometimes. It's really great. It's great for differentiation because students can work at their own pace, and it's great for student voice and allowing them to make a choice and feel empowered. So again, if you want to access this, you can go ahead and enroll and get the choice board, make your own copy, and edit it. I can't wait to hear how you're using it with your students in your classroom. Thank you.